Hello there, Mr. Stingray 358 with another update from my extremely messy basement. Seen the makeshift home theater there. Alright, about 2 weeks ago I went to a train show in Allentown. I forget what it was called, but here's some quick footage.
You might want to start with some plastic kits and then work your way up to the wooden kits.
Where are the plastic?
I don't happen to have any. These are old collectibles.
Yeah. Oh, is that what? Yeah. Yes, they are. Yeah, you're not.
But I need to.
Well, you could just bring them in.
You need a little experience in order to build them. I'm not saying you couldn't, but you need some experience. It helps to have some experience.
The Challenger.
Challenger?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you were the one that said that.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Something nice there. That's more like an army green color.
Alright, now the other kid I was with, his name is Michael. He is one of my friends at the Coopersburg Area Society of Model Engineers. Now, just a quick update here. I just wanted to show you what I got. It's not much at all, but a few things that are there. He said they were a rather good find. Right. Here it is. Now you might be thinking this isn't a lot at all, but hey, I wasn't really looking for much there. Plus, a lot of it was used, and a lot of it wasn't really working in the first place either. I've been looking for some cement hoppers for a while, and this is a good deal. Now I bought 3 of these. Now this camera's not HD, obviously, so I can't show you the finer details, but Michael pointed out that these were rather well weathered. Might be able to see it a little closer. See, it's hard to see, but there's some nice airbrushing up on the roof and on the sides. Even got the right texture done on the wheel trucks there. The next one. Let's see if I hold it up in the right light. Alright, there we go. Now you may be able to see a little better on this one. The airbrush job kind of does a fade down there. It gets dirtier towards the bottom. And now for the final one. Alright, now this one you can probably see the best. airbrush, rather finely done airbrush job there. And if you might be able to see it near the roof, got these white splotches on there. It might be where cement would have spilled out and whatnot. Anyway, let's test them out. Alright, so there they are. While I was waiting for my parents to pick me up at the end of the day, I tested them on Michael's layout, and the Clinchfield one had a bit of a flexibility problem. So I'm just going to test them here with this little guy. Little Mantua 040 booster engine. I found them for free. Alright, explain. That other video I made a while ago about that big Lionel haul I got from one of the guys at my model railroading club. Well, this was part of it. This little guy. So let me just push these two cars into there, push that hopper and milk reefer into this siding, this siding, and I'll get to it. Alright, so got everything sorted out, and now here's the hoppers, and now I'm going to go see if these turns are too tight of a radius. Bail. Yeah, this little guy is a bit jumpy. Yeah, it was always that Clinchfield one that had the derailment problem. That's because the wheel trucks hit the coupler assembly. Alright, gotta do some stowing away. This will be done by hand. I don't know, well, I guess I will by it. Okay. Yeah, I need to get a new electrical pickup for this thing. I will, Dad. I will. I will. Excuse me. This is my dad. He's telling me to take my pills. Alright, so I will work on these and I'll probably post an update sometime in the future. So, to finish off this video, here's some clips of when I went to the doctor the Wednesday afterwards. I had school off that day and I took the train up there. So here's some footage of the old R5, R1, and the Market Frankfurt.
Why are you using the wrist strap? Don't do that.
The schedule 134, local 2, airport. Next to arrive on track 6. The schedule 134, local 2, airport. Next to arrive on track 6.
Watch out, watch out. These move fast. These move fast.
The schedule 404, local 2, airport. Next to arrive on track 6.
Lights them to not charge us.
Now arriving on track number 6, scheduled 404, local to the airport. Now arriving on track number 6, scheduled 404, local to the airport. This train will also make stops at University City and Eastwick. Please watch your step while boarding.
Dan's already there.
Us?
The schedule 410 local to Elwyn is running approximately 5 to 10 minutes behind schedule. Please remain on the platform for further information. Thank you.